about the some good website which is known as VisibleGeology. In this website you can create your model as you can wish. So I will be pin the link in description, so you want to check it. Firstly we go to the Geological Explorer. So you want to see it by zooming and zooming out, and by left mouse block you can move like this and this one. So you can create your layers which you want to edit. For example, this is 2 or 3 layers, so you can add your layers how much you want to edit. You can also name it. For example, if I go to the Jurassic rocks and change the color, for example red one, you can also apply it, and you can also change the thickness of the your Jurassic rocks, and you can also change the other layers on the top of the Jurassic layer. For example, Cretaceous, and I change the color this one. Then you can change, for example, it's Paleocene, older to younger sequence, which is the law of superposition. And then you can click it, and it will be the Eocene. It will be the Eocene, and just click in. So this you can create it your this kind of layers and apply it. So this you will be created in the layer option. Another option is the event option. So which event you can add to. For example, if you add it to fault, it's bend fault or blind thrust fault, or their extension environment of horst and graben structure, their compressional structure. And you can also like tilting, folding, conformity, dikes. For example, if I try the dike, so you can change your dike. If I represent like, yes, this one, can change the dike. And you can also, if I click it, you can also rotate it and which direction you want to want. This is the thickness. For example, I just and rotate it like this one. So you can also create the data which is the in the field data, strike data of the this dike depth and their thickness. For example, if I go to 14, so it will be little bit thicker. If I go to the 7, so it will be thinner. You can also change the depth. For example, if you go to the 90, so it will be horizontal vertically. If I go to the 45, so it will be 45 degree this depth. And you can also change the strike of the this dike. For example, if I also give to 45, so it will, the strike will be this one. So you can change everything which you want to create it and apply it. So you can also add the plutonic dike. You can also domes and basin. You can also create a fault. For example, if I go to the thrust fault, so for example, you can also change by this one, and this is the your thickness of the fault where you can add your fault. So if I create it like this one, okay, so this will be my fault. You can give the data and apply on it. So this will be your fault, a little bit fault. And you will also create a blend, thrust, and the horse and graben structure. This is the various event which is cross-cutting these layers. You can also go to the history, which you can, for example, firstly you create the beds, then the dike is coming, and then this fault is coming. So whenever you can change something, so it will automatically create the history of your this model event. Another is this good one thing, which is if you click it, so it will be like create the topographic variation. If you want to like this, if you want to click this mountainous dome and you want to like this, so as you wish, it will be created your 3D model. And if you are creating new one, so it will give you, like for example this one, you can create it and apply it. And so if you are rise this area, so you can rise it. And you, if you are lower the area, so you can lower the area. And if you are flatten the area, so you can flatten your area. And if you are smoothing the area, so it will be smoothing the area. So you increase this circular radius size, so it will like this one. If you are decrease size, so it will be little bit smaller. And you can see the changes of your topography model. And you increase the strength, so it will be cross-cutting the your depositional model. I increase the size and click this one, little bit decrease the size, so you will be see easily the valley size. So you can change your valley in which direction you want, and you can name it your topography and save and return. So this will be created by your own, or you can change your as you wish, like for example this one which I like it. And you can, this one you created recently. And if you created your view or the contours which are you created, or you cannot see your contours as you wish. And the another thing which is the x, the cross section of your area. For example, if you add which area you want to you want to see your cross section. For example, if I like from this area to this, your cross section will be look like this one. I change it, the cross section is automatically changes. This is your cross section from this point to this point. I click apply, so it will be cross section. You will be create another cross section, so this one apply. So this two cross section you can prepare by this website, it easily created. So I not need it, I will be cross it. So you can also, for example, I want to see if I correct how, what will be the like for example if I drill this place, so I will be firstly the lowest will be the my this Jurassic and this Cretaceous. If I rotate it, the Jurassic will be decreases and the upper part of the Cretaceous will be increases. And if I go to this one, so if I go to, okay, so whenever you just adjust your, for example, if you drill in this area, no Jurassic rocks or red one will be not targeted or not hit. But if you are like this, so your red color of the Jurassic will be more, because you now down to the Jurassic rock. So you can apply okay, so it will be the like giving the core information. The other thing is the this one detail, so it will be give the detail. For example, if I go to this area and apply it, so it will be give my bed thickness, everything which you can edit. Go to this, you can also go to your this is the other two option. For example, if you go to the your stereo net, so you can giving the data, it will be giving you, for example, if I this click one, so other is click on this. So this is for the mostly the structure geology. If I apply it, so it will be give me the 3D in the stereo net option. And if I go to the this apparent depth, for example, if I take this bed like 45 degree and 220, so it will be look this. And if I rotate it, and the compass will be also changes. If I click on it 10 degree, so it will be the bedding will be 10 degree. So you can change everything, and this is our 3D model. So you can create it your own, it's very easy. You can must be try it. This website I will be link in their comment section, and you can try it and you can create your own depositional model into your field data. It will be look like realistic if you are just putting your data. So thank you so much for visiting this channel and to see this video patiently. So we will be meeting the next video.